Hello rail fans and welcome back to the Rusty Boxcar channel. Today we've got a G412-04. This is an empty grain train making its way north out of Montgomery, Alabama, up to Evansville, Indiana to be reloaded at the grain hub up there. It's going to be led up by 7092 and 3173. 3173 is the Pittsburgh and Lake Erie sticker unit, not to be confused with the Heritage unit that we caught and showed in a video yesterday. The next thing I'd like to see is, I'm hoping at some point to catch one of the Heritage units with its like sticker unit in the consist right behind it, but haven't seen that happen yet. There's a few of those out there that'll be a possibility to see, the Western Maryland, the P&Le. So hopefully in the near future, that'll be the next thing we can check off our list. Hope you guys enjoy this video. The train is starting up right here in front of me at Eakin. It had just had a crew change. So take a look and we'll be back soon with a new one for you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.